Okay, hello to the group from Holiday, Utah. I picked up some fishing tackle, and I got it from Discount Tackle. They're based in Oregon. When I buy tackle, I usually just do a quick web search, try to find out who has it and who can ship it quickly. Good God, man. Okay, so I'm typically not a big ZMan fan. I don't know why, but it seems like their plastics are the kind of plastics that melt everything. But I kind of went a little crazy. And bought some ZMan stuff. What I was really after was the micro finesse jigs that seem to be something new in the last few months. That's what they are. Micro finesse. I'll put them on a 1/8 ounce and smaller jig head and jig them. They look to be pretty good. And of course that ZMan, the ZMan rubber material is excellent. You just can't keep it with anything else because everything else around it melts. So you got to either keep in the package or in its own little compartment in the tackle box, yada yada. So I'm excited for these, and I got a bunch of different colors. I got the green pumpkin, and then the purple haze, because it's kind of sparkly, looks pretty. More green pumpkin, and then the PB&J, peanut butter and jelly. 2 packs of each. 2 packs of each color. Okay, takes care of that. And then picked up a ZMan shirt because I'm all in now. I'm a big fan now. And then these popped up. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Oh yeah, I know what that is. These micro finesse StingerZs, and these look pretty cool too. Something a little different, you know? Something a little different that maybe nothing in the waters you typically fish has seen. And put these on a small jig, and we'll see what happens. But these are pretty beefy. These have some mass to them. And I just got 2 colors. The space guppy, and then the dark and stormy. I don't know. We'll see. You know, it's a crapshoot. And then as I was checking out, I saw this, the Gizmo, made by Evergreen International, Daiwa, distributed by Daiwa, and it's just a really big looking bug bait, and it looks pretty darn cool with a jig head and everything all integrated. It was crazy expensive, but it was on sale. I know, right? 7/64 of an ounce, I guess 3 grams. So that'll be fun to throw. And then, on a whim, and I've been wanting to get this for a while, but I haven't. I guess I should have prepped all this stuff and then wrapped it first. But I got some of Kevin Van Dam's line and lure conditioner. Extends line life, protects gear, blah, blah, blah. Guaranteed to improve casting distance and control. virtually eliminates line memory, backlash, tangles, and twists. So we'll see how this works. Shake well, and then give it a go. So I'll give it a try. And Kevin Van Dam's from Michigan, close to where I live. He's from the Muskegon area. Well, that's my haul. Bunch of ZMan stuff and some other things in between. Of course, it's January here in Utah, so it's still pretty cold. It could snow any day. But that's my outlay. Not too expensive. Oh, they gave me some stickers too. Nice. So the ZMan plastics were on sale, which is kind of why I got them. $3.74 a pack, which is a great price. And then the t-shirt was $18, and then line conditioner was $10. So a total of, with shipping. Shipping was free. That's even better. So Discount Tackle, give them a look. Pretty good stuff, pretty good shipping, and they're close in Oregon, and a good website too. All right, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Cheers.